Really, for Alden, were you aware na nung for the past year nung Candy Fair was nandun din si May?
I was not aware.
Pero napapag-usapan niyo pa yun?
Yes, sabi ko, nakita pala tayo nung 5 years ago na eh. Sabi ko, pero hindi naman ikaw pinunta ko doon. Sabi ko, oo naman, hindi pa naman ako artista eh. Pero parang, it's somewhat something like destiny talaga. Kasi after 5 years, we see each other sa Itbulaga, you know. And this would be a hit. So, it's a blessing. It's a blessing from the Lord.
And nung beginning of the year, nung ini-interview ka sa board mo, one of the things na tinanong sa'yo is kung ano talaga yung gusto mo for 2015. Ang naaalala ko is gusto mo Love Life. Matatapos na yung 2015.
Hindi natapos. Palay niyo po? I don't know. I really can't tell.
Hahabol pa.
So, December pa lang naman. Meron pa akong a few days. We'll see.
And
okay lang ako 2003 na wish ko makalabla.
2015 na wala. I'm just waiting po. Still. I'm just letting myself be surrendered into God's will kung saan niya ako ilalagay. Ay hindi ko pinapaunahan yun. Whatever He gives me, I accept.
okay. Alam ko 2015 would be the biggest year for you
It
in
is
show
po.
business. Pero if there's one thing that stand out for 2015, after 10 years, babalikan mo 2015, ano?
It's Aldo. It's Aldo.
At last is, gaano ka na napayaman?
Next question, please. Well,
Tingin ko yan. Kuripot yan.
well enough to sustain everything. Yeah. Yes po.
Blessed.
Very blessed.
Ay, last na lang, if there's any material thing that nabili mo or something that will remind you of Alda, ano?
House there.
Ay, bahay.
The house. The house I'm currently... So, patapos na po. So, parang... Yes. Secret!
Okay.
Sa South pa rin. South.
Congratulations.
For the family po. It's a family house.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, any more questions? Oh yes, Arlene.
Hi.
Sir.